Okay, ladies, here it is. I feel the need to speak on this because if if I get so aggressive now by just watching that, and I would slap the silly shit out of a woman just for thinking and speaking like that, because what type of a role model are you for 16, 17 and 18-year-olds if you go ahead and tell women in general that their purpose in life is not to make a man's life hard but to make his dick hard instead? Are you out of your fucking mind? Or are you fucking with me? You must be fucking with me. Because a woman's job is to love, take care of her husband, take care of her kids, cook, clean, show love and affection and kindness. And a man's job is, also a woman's job is to give her man some satisfaction, obviously. But if a man cannot do his job, which is to protect, defend, supply,